Hi all. So last time we learned how to multiply two-digit numbers with two-digit numbers. So this time let's learn how to multiply three-digit numbers with three-digit numbers. So let's say we have 2, 3, 4 and I want to multiply it with 4, 6, 2. How do I do this? So one way that we have learned in school is that we write it like this, or maybe that we keep the large number on the top and the small number in the bottom, and then start multiplying. We multiply 4 with all the numbers on the top, like 4 2s are 8, 4 6 are 24, 2 carry, 4 4 16 and 2 18. Then we are going to multiply with 3 and then with 2. So I'll just do it a bit fast. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. So answer becomes 8, 6 are 4 10, 16 20 21, 8 and 108108. So this is the method that we have learned in school. But now let's say that we want to learn a method which is Vedic method. We want to write this answer directly. We don't want to do these steps which are done in the school method. So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply 2, 3, 4 and 4, 6, 2. You can write it in any manner as you want, like either 4, 6, 2 on top or 4, 6, 2 at the bottom, that doesn't matter. So what we are going to do, we are going to do a few steps in this one. So this is the first step. So we have three digit numbers on the top and 3 digit at the bottom. We are going to multiply these two only. So this is the first step. The second step is that we are going to multiply the last two columns and then add them as well, right? Third one is that we have again 3 digit numbers. Now we are going to multiply first and last, here first and last and the middle one, and we add them. Now the fourth step in this one is that we are going to multiply these first two columns and add them obviously. And the last part is that we have these 6 3-digit numbers on bottom and top, and we are going to multiply the starting column. So these are the 5 steps that we are going to do, and we are going to write the answer directly after this. So now the first step is the multiplying of last numbers, the last column. So it becomes 2 into 4, that becomes 8. Then coming to second step, we are going to multiply the last two columns. So 3 into 2 is 6. I'll just write it here. 3 into 2 plus 6 into 4 is what we are trying to do. And here we did 4 into 2. So 3 2 is 6. 6 4 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. So I'll put 0 here and 3 is a carry. The next one is that we are going to multiply these two together, 2 into 2, this one and this one, and then we are going to multiply 4 into 4 plus, and we are going to multiply these two, 6 into 3, and plus the carry part, the 3 value. So it becomes 2 to the 4, 4 4 is 16, so this becomes 4, this becomes 16, and this becomes 18. So 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 80 is 38, 38 plus 3 is 41. So I'll put 1 here and 4 here. The second last part is now that we're going to multiply 2 into 6. Yeah, the last part is that we are going to multiply 2 into 6 and 4 into 3. So that becomes 12 and 12 again. So that becomes 24 plus the carry part, that is 4. 24 plus 4 is 28. Again 2 carry. And the last part is that we are going to multiply these two. So it was 28, right? So and the last part is that we are going to multiply these two together. So that becomes 4 2s are 8, and so this becomes 4 into 2 plus 2, which was carry. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, and the answer is 108108, which is same as what we have got in the original method. So these are the steps that we are following here, and using these steps you can always do calculation of multiplication of 3-digit numbers with 3-digit numbers without any problem. So you can apply it anywhere you want. Hope you understood the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.